Hi everyone, it's Mari. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate it. I have a haul from the Paper and Ink Boutique in Calgary that I wanted to share with you. The Paper and Ink Boutique has an online shop and it's a really awesome place to shop. Their shipping is extremely fast and they have a ton of really fun stuff, some different inventory than some places carry, and I do really love to shop at the Paper and Ink Boutique. I did order the most recent release from the Distress Color line. I ordered the prize ribbon bundle, and the nice thing that the Paper and Ink Boutique does with the new color releases is they offer you different sizes of bundles, so you can get the whole set, you can get partial sets and so on, and the pricing is amazing. So definitely check that out when they are releasing new colors. This is the prize ribbon oxide, and I did spritz it with a little bit of water. It is just such a beautiful vibrant blue. I really love it. And I also picked up a couple of the Sukaneko pigment ink pads. These are beautiful as well, and I did pick up the Galaxy Gold and the Platinum Planet. And what I did was I actually stamped those out onto the prize ribbon, but just look how beautiful that ink is. It's really gorgeous. It's a beautiful gold pigment ink, and then the platinum is more of a silver. Really pretty as well. And I'm going to show you how that stamps out here. It shows up really nicely on the prize ribbon there. Hopefully you can see that on camera. It's absolutely gorgeous. So really happy with that pigment ink and of course the color of the prize ribbon. Really looking forward to using all of those products. I also picked up the new Archival Distress Color full ink pads. Love this so much. Love the Archival ink properties, the fact that it's waterproof, it's permanent, it's acid free. There's so many fun and cool things that you can do with this. Of course, you can stamp over top of your alcohol inks, etc. There's many things you can do with the Archival series. So this series includes the Hickory Smoke, the Vintage Photo, the Ground Espresso, and then the Black Soot, which is absolutely fantastic. So those four distress colors in the Archival full-size pads. I also picked up a bunch of the new Paper Artsy release from last week. Love Paper Artsy. I didn't know anything about Paper Artsy until I started checking out the Paper and Ink Boutique. Love this company, and their products are amazing. I bought a bunch of the Tracy Scott stamps. I think I actually bought every one of the new Tracy Scott stamps. I'll just go through those now. This one is TS062. You can just see that it's all of these really fun shapes that you can combine together to make some really fun art. Really love this so much. Gorgeous, the key and the quill, and then these lovely shapes as well. The stamps are amazing quality. They are red rubber cling stamps. Beautiful. They stamp out just so nicely. I also picked up TS061. Sorry about that, I just had a little interruption. So this is TS061, and again, a Tracy Scott set. Beautiful florals. These are the fuchsias, I believe. Really super pretty. You can see all of these red rubber cling stamps. Again, all of the detail that's etched on the stamps, just so stunning. So lots of fun. This is TS060. Beautiful. This is all of the sort of like the Egyptian inspired bits on this set, and you can see that there's all kinds of different stamps as part of this, the hieroglyphics and so on. Love that. Super fun. This is part of the Sarah Newman Paper Artsy release that's brand new. This is ESN 53, and it is just so fun. Love it. So you got that musical notes image in the background, the word joyful and the butterfly, the definition of happiness, and then the Ralph Waldo Emerson quote at the bottom. Happiness, and then adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. And this really cool stamp that stamps out this bit here at the bottom, which is very, very cool. So just some text, the beautiful butterfly, and this is all one piece here. So you can see that there's the numbers and so on. Really lovely. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous set. Then I picked up some of the new Paper Artsy stencils. This one is the stencil 269. So you have a mandala and then some other pieces that you can layer. And this one is stencil 268. Just some beautiful foliage and leaves, the palm leaves and so on. Gorgeous. And this one here is called stencil 267. And I believe the idea with this is for creating mandalas. On the Paper Artsy people on Facebook, Tracy talks about each one of these different products. She did a live as part of her release. And so I haven't tried this yet, but I'm really anxious to get using this and see how I can use this particular stencil. So really fun. This one is a Sarah Newman stencil. It's stencil 271. I love this. So fun. So all of the different alphas and numbers. And this one is Sarah Newman again. This is stencil 272. Just love that square pattern there. And this one I think is my favorite. This is stencil 270. It has kind of like the circular shapes with some text. This be really fun on gel plate. Gorgeous. I also picked up, this is the last item that I bought in this haul. I picked up the new Dilutions, or new to me anyways. I think this is pretty new though. Diane Reevely journal. And this is the 9 by 11 and 13/16. The pages are 8 1/4 by 11 3/8. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful journal. It has the gorgeous manila tag paper, but it also has the black, which is really fun and just gorgeous. It also has the craft in it. And so you get the combination of the 3 different kinds of paper. This is just a stunning, stunning book. And you get 52 double-sided blank pages. So really amazing. I love this pattern on the front, kind of like a Harlequin pattern. It's really beautiful. And I'm really excited to get making with this art journal. So that's it for my haul from the Paper and Ink Boutique. I will leave a link to the shop in the description box below. And so make sure that you check it out. They also have an option to bundle your orders so that you do, if you spend $100, you can bundle your, actually if you spend $100, your shipping is free. And if you choose curbside pickup, you can bundle your orders. And once they reach that threshold of $100, they will ship free, which is amazing. And I just really love the Paper and Ink Boutique. I think it's just a really fantastic place to shop online. And their shipping is lightning speed fast. Oftentimes they ship the same day that you order or the next day. It's really, really fast. Thanks everybody for checking out my haul today. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, stick them in the comment section below, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.